Ever felt that little pang of frustration when you realize you need something important, like a bank account, but you're not entirely sure where to even begin? Maybe you've just moved, landed your first job, or you're simply looking for a better banking experience. Whatever the reason, opening a bank account is a crucial step in managing your finances. And if you're considering Lloyds Bank, you've likely already heard of their long history and wide range of services. But before you head down to a branch or start filling out online forms, there's one key question on everyone's mind: what ID do I actually need to open a bank account with Lloyds? It's a fair question, and one that can often feel more complicated than it should. Nobody wants to make a trip to the bank only to be turned away because they're missing a vital document. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the essentials. Generally speaking, when you're looking to open a bank account with Lloyds, or any reputable bank for that matter, you'll need to provide two main types of identification: proof of your identity and proof of your address. Think of it as the bank needing to confirm who you are and where you live. This is a standard procedure designed to prevent fraud and comply with regulations. For proving your identity, Lloyds typically accepts a range of official documents. The most common and widely accepted option is a valid passport, whether it's a UK passport or one from another country. Your driving license, particularly a photocard driving license, is also usually accepted. If you don't have a passport or driving license, other forms of photographic identification might be considered, such as a national identity card if you have one. It's always a good idea to check the Lloyds Bank website or contact them directly to confirm if a specific alternative ID you have will be accepted. Make sure whatever photographic ID you present is in date and the photograph clearly resembles you. Once your identity is confirmed, the next step is proving your address. This is where things can sometimes get a little trickier, as the document needs to clearly show your name and your current residential address. Utility bills are a common choice here. This could be a gas bill, electricity bill, water bill, or even a council tax bill. Make sure the bill is recent, usually within the last 3 months, to ensure it reflects your current address. Another widely accepted form of address verification is a bank or credit card statement from another institution. Again, this should be recent, typically within the last 3 months. If you're a tenant, a formal tenancy agreement signed by both you and your landlord or letting agent can often be used as proof of address. For those who own their home, a mortgage statement might also be accepted. It's important to note that the specific requirements can sometimes vary depending on the type of account you're opening and your individual circumstances. For example, if you're a student, Lloyds might have specific requirements or accept different forms of identification tailored to students. Similarly, if you're a new resident in the UK, they might ask for additional documentation. To avoid any surprises, the best course of action is always to check the Lloyds Bank website or get in touch with them directly before you start your application. Their website usually has a dedicated section outlining the accepted forms of ID. You can also call their customer service line or visit a local branch to speak with a representative who can provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information based on your specific situation. They can clarify any doubts you might have and ensure you have all the necessary documents ready, making the account opening process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Being prepared with the right identification will save you time and frustration, allowing you to start enjoying the benefits of your new Lloyds Bank account sooner rather than later. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.